Hello friends, this is Pragya here. I welcome you all to Liberated Mind. Today I am going to talk to you about how to keep focus on your goals. Before I start talking about the tips and techniques, I want all of you to understand and be aware about what are your distractions that keeps you away from focusing on your goals. The distractions can be of any form, either your fear, or you might be contemplating something, or you might be thinking what challenges can come, or you might be procrastinating. So understanding your distractions is the first key thing that you might want to do. Okay, here comes the 5 tips that I really experienced and which has helped me to keep focus on my goals. Like all of you, through my life's experiences, I have tried to use those tips and techniques that has really helped me. Number 1, contemplate. We all are human beings. The more we dream about your goals, the more we are attracted to our goals, it creates a place in our brain. That's how the neuroscience works. We have 5 senses, and some of us are kinesthetic, some are visual, some are auditory. Let me share my example. I'm a kinesthetic visual person. So what I started to do was, I started to take notes, I started to write down about my goals, what plans, what can be my challenges, and it really helped me keep focus on my goals. I did it quite frequently. So that was the tip number 1. Second tip. Chunk your goals down. The larger the goal, the difficult to achieve. Why so? Because you might not be able to understand how your journey would look like. There might be roadblocks, there might be challenges. But more than that, the smaller the goals, the easier it is to achieve. And once you achieve success, you will feel motivated towards your larger goal. I can share a little bit of my own experience in 2020. We all were in lockdown and I really didn't know how to work towards my health and fitness goals. But what I started off was in taking baby steps. I would rather call it as chunking it down. So I did 15 minutes walk for 2 weeks, then 20 minutes, then increased to 30 minutes, 45 minutes to an hour. And that really helped me achieve my health and fitness goals. Of course, I added a lot of other fitness activities and my diet plan as well. So that's tip number 2. 3. Start now. I told you about distractions. Procrastination is one of those which I really, experienced it when I was trying to keep focus on my goals. Like say for example, I used to love reading books, but what I realized is I would have some excuse or the other not to pick up a book and read it. So what I started to do was, I used my second tip, that is chunking it down, and not procrastinate it and start now by reading, say for example, 3 pages a day. That really helped me. So start now. 4th, discipline and reflect. On a day-to-day basis, work on your plan, work on your tasks that you have really aligned towards your goal. Discipline is the key. If you do it on a day-to-day basis, it becomes a habit of yours, and that helps you keep focus. Now, why I said reflect? Because some days you might be tired, you might be exhausted due to lots of work at office, maybe somebody has a health issue at home. It's okay. So reflect and then come back to the routine. So discipline and reflect. 5th, last but not the least, build your ecosystem. That's very important. Understanding the environment that you are in, understanding who are your key stakeholders. It can be your family members, it can be your office colleagues, it can be your friends. Ensure that you build the ecosystem to help you keep focus on your goals. Like say for example, I wanted to make this YouTube video. Now for that, what ecosystem did I need? I needed the right systems, I needed the content, I needed my story, I needed to be in a good mindset, and I needed quiet place to really shoot this. So I need to build that ecosystem for me to achieve this particular goal. So I shared with you 5 tips. Contemplate, chunk your goals down, start now, discipline and reflect, build your ecosystem. I hope those tips and techniques are going to help you keep focus on your goals. And if you have any other experience and you want to share your journey, how you keep focus on your goals, please do share it here so that others can benefit from it. If you have really liked this video of mine, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you and have a great day.